Hey guys, Ramen15 here, and today I'm going to be showing you how to make some ramen. Now I'm just bored, so yeah. Well, time to make my lunch. So first you're going to get a small pot. You're going to get some ramen. I have some Nissan beef ramen. You can also get this stuff. So you're going to fill your pot. Oh. Right around there. Finger distance like that, so I'm going to pour a little bit out. Okay, so this is for one serving of ramen. So now, you're going to get a teeny tiny bit of salt. You're just going to put, that'll help it boil faster. I'm going to set my pot on 3/4 high and wait for that to boil. Now, we're waiting for that to boil. I get our ramen. I just went ahead and opened the front of it. I'm gonna break it in half so it'll be easier to cook. Okay, so now I have the bowl that I'm gonna be putting the ramen in, but now I'll put the dry ramen in. Alright, so we're gonna go ahead and put the ramen in this bowl. So it should be broken into pieces like that, and if there's a whole bunch of loose ones, that's fine. We can just throw that into the pot. Now it's close to start boiling. You're going to want to save your beef flavor. So, I mean, unless you have your own flavoring, that's fine. I'm going to get out a few things. I'm going to get some garlic powder. Actually, no, I'm not going to get garlic powder. I'm going to get some Italian seasoning, pepper and salt. And me and my dad like to do this with some Parmesan. Put it in there. To make it a little bit spicy, I have some chili powder. We're going to add that into it once we add this in. And I'm going to add this when it stops cooking. Basically when it's cooling down. So yeah. Alrighty, so once the pot starts looking like this, I'm going to go ahead and turn this down to medium heat. We're going to go ahead and add the ramen. Be careful as to make sure it doesn't splash. Alrighty. I'm going to get a wooden spoon, a smaller wooden spoon, preferably. Just going to go ahead and move this around. I'm going to turn the heat back up a little bit, just a teeny bit. That's what it looks like. Let's stir this around. Alright. So now, once you put that in, we're going to start adding all the seasonings. Alrighty, so I'm going to add the beef flavoring first. I'm going to take the spoon and we're going to stir this. I'm actually going to turn it down back to medium. Make sure the beef flavoring gets spread around in there. And now we can actually start to break up the noodles since they're a lot softer. Alright. I'm going to add in our Italian seasoning, just a teeny bit, not a lot. I like to keep stuff a little spicy, or not spicy, but I like to put some spices in here, just for a little taste. An alternative to this, you can just add oregano, basil, and parsley, but, you know, it's easier to do it this way. I'm going to get our pepper and salt. I'm not going to put a lot of salt in it, I'm just going to put lots of pepper. A teeny bit of salt. Stir that some more. And now I'm going to add a little bit of chili powder, just to give it a little bit of spiciness. Oh, a little bit too much, but that's fine. And it'll be a little spicy. You can also alternatively put hot sauce, but I don't want to put hot sauce in here. I'm going to turn it down a little bit more, because now it's just about cooked. Let that sit. just a little bit below medium heat, and that'll continue to cook and soak in all the stuff that we put in there. I'll get back to you once it's stopped cooking. Alrighty, so now that's been sat for like 30 seconds. I'm actually going to turn the heat off, and I'm going to start adding our Parmesan. Stir this around. I'm going to let this sit for about a minute or two so it can just cool off a little bit. And yeah. Alrighty, so I'm going to get some ice. Oh, not so much. I don't recommend you do this only if you don't like your soup pretty hot. I don't like mine hot to where it'll burn the top of my mouth off completely. And I don't want to wait 5 years for this to cool down. So I'm just going to add a few cubes of ice, and I'm going to go ahead and pour it in there like this. And if you added the right amount of water, it just should sit either like this or just below the top. If it just sits below the top, then try to suck the water out, or just like get a spoon and drink the water out. I'm going to stir this around a little bit. I'm actually going to get a fork now. Alrighty, now you got some nicely cool, well, not nicely cool, but nicely cooked ramen. If you guys like this video, please be sure to subscribe. I will be releasing or putting out a tutorial on how to record using OBS software, and then a video playing Skyrim again. So yeah.